If you've been following us for a while, you know we live and breathe car tech. And we've tested everything from budget dash cams to the most bloated flagship setups. Today, we're talking about a massive price gap between the entry-level and the elite. We've got the Torvo TD3, a value king sitting at $99 up against the Thinkware U3000 PRO, a $500 plus dash cam that basically partnered with brands like BMW and Mercedes. The question isn't just which is better. At triple the price, the Thinkware should be better. The real question is the extra $400 actually buying you peace of mind, or are you just paying for features you'll never use? We've put both through our standard testing, daylight clarity, night vision torture tests, and long-term parking surveillance to see where the marketing ends and the reality begins. Starting with the interface, the difference is immediate. The Torvo TD3 features a 3.2-inch IPS LCD on the back, which is great for a quick live preview or adjusting settings on the fly. In contrast, the Thinkware U3000 PRO doesn't have a screen at all, forcing you to rely entirely on their smartphone app for anything beyond basic operation. While the Torvo uses tactile buttons located right beneath the display for manual control, the Thinkware relies on status indicators and voice prompts to let you know it's recording. However, the Thinkware is designed with a stealth mindset. It's intended to stay hidden behind your rearview mirror so it doesn't block your view. Torvo also follows the same way with a compact body and a slim design. In terms of build philosophy, both units use a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, which we love for long-term durability in the heat, but the Thinkware takes quality control to another level. While the Torvo feels surprisingly solid and well-balanced for a budget unit, Thinkware puts the U3000 PRO through 144 rigorous in-house tests, covering everything from extreme vibrations to high-temperature operation. It feels less like a gadget and more like a permanent piece of automotive hardware. When it comes to getting these powered up, the Torvo follows the traditional route. You mount it, tuck the wires, and if you want that 24-hour monitoring, you have to hardwire it to your fuse box. It's standard fare, but it can be a bit intimidating for beginners. Compared to that, the Thinkware U3000 PRO is a total game changer because it includes an OBD2 power cable. Instead of messing with fuses, you just plug it into the port mechanics use for diagnostics, and you've got instant plug-and-play power for parking mode. Even the mounting systems show the price gap. The Torvo uses a standard adhesive bracket that's perfectly functional, but the Thinkware uses a modular mount that's identical to their previous generation. If you're upgrading from an older model, you don't even have to peel the old tape off your windshield. You just slide the old unit out and click the new Pro model in. It's those quality of life details that really start to justify the premium tag. Both cams are marketed as 4K, but as we always say, not all pixels are created equal. The Torvo TD3 captures sharp daytime footage at 4K 30 FPS using a generic sensor with WDR. It's plenty clear for reading plates half a block away, but compared to that, the Thinkware U3000 PRO uses the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which is the absolute gold standard for light sensitivity. While the Torvo produces good 4K, the Thinkware produces elite 4K with dual HDR that prevents the image from getting flashbanged when driving out of dark tunnels into bright sunlight. The gap is even wider at the back of the car. The Torvo's rear camera is a 1080p Full HD unit, which is decent for the price. However, Thinkware steps it up to a 2K QHD rear camera also featuring a Starvis 2 sensor. At night, the Torvo does a fair job under streetlights, but the Thinkware's Super Night Vision 4.0 pulls detail out of pitch black shadows that the Torvo just can't see. If you're involved in an incident in a dim parking lot, the Thinkware is significantly more likely to catch the details you actually need. This is where the dynamic really shifts. The Torvo TD3 relies on motion detection and a G sensor to start recording when the car is parked. It's effective, drawing about 3 to 4 watts, but compared to that, the Thinkware U3000 PRO features a built-in 60 GHz radar sensor. Instead of the camera staying awake and eating your battery to look for movement, the radar allows the unit to stay in an ultra-low power state, drawing only 4.8 milliamps. While the Torvo might protect your car for a day or two before the battery protection kicks in, the Thinkware can keep your rig guarded for days or even weeks at a time. The radar bubble on the Pro has been increased to a 10-meter range, so it starts recording 10 seconds before an incident even happens. With the Torvo, you usually only see what happened after the impact. For anyone who leaves their vehicle at trailheads or in public garages for long stretches, the radar tech alone makes the Thinkware a completely different class of tool. In our opinion, the Torvo TD3 is the absolute best value 4K setup on the market right now. If you're a budget-conscious buyer looking for sharp daytime footage and reliable heat resistance for under $100, it's an easy recommendation. It's a solid, honest dash cam that gets the job done without any fluff. However, the Thinkware U3000 PRO is for the driver who refuses to compromise. You aren't just paying for a brand name, you're paying for the OBD2 ease of install, the Starvis 2 night vision, and that radar-based parking surveillance that can protect your rig for nearly a month on a single charge. It's a professional-grade security tool that has been tested to the extreme. Our final take? If you have a daily commuter and just want a just-in-case witness, the Torvo TD3 is all you need. But if you've got a high-end build, an expensive SUV, or you frequently leave your vehicle unattended in public areas, the Thinkware U3000 PRO is worth every cent of that $400 premium. The set-it-and-forget-it reliability is what gives us the peace of mind we're looking for. So, that's the breakdown. The Torvo is the value powerhouse, and the Thinkware is the tech masterpiece. We'll leave the links to both in the description so you can check the latest pricing for yourself. We're curious to hear from you. Would you rather save the $400 for other mods, or is that radar parking mode a must-have for your peace of mind? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this side-by-side comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, be blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.